No, I think what we want to do is the first phase was to get engagement to find out what their ideas and what is it that is bothering them about the ISA. Some of them is because of the treatment of prisoners or detainees. The other is about the length of detention. Another one is about detention without trial. Others might be because of the perception that the minister will abuse the powers. Not all of them share the same concerns. So that is the first phase. Taking all that into account, we've broken it up into 5 areas. And those 5 areas have been taken into account into the proposed amendment. This is where we are at the moment. And after, once we are clear about what amendments we want to bring, then we have to go down again, this time to the public at large. Roadshows, backbenchers, senators, state leaders, because I really do not want people to start exploiting it and politicizing it until we reach a situation of polemic. Because you remember, there were demonstrations in the street on the abolishment of ISA. Those very people who demonstrated in the streets, when it came to certain matters which we had to deal with recently, are the ones saying, hey, hang on, you want to act fast, you want to act quick, blaming the police, not arresting people quickly. On the Melawati case, the Perak case, the Surau in Muar, the Khinzir case. And if it's not managed properly, some of these cases can be so emotionally charged, which may cause a clash. But I'm not saying that that is a case that is going to be looked into this act. But for now, I feel that at least for on terrorism, on drugs, on human trafficking, I think there's a major consensus that we need preventive laws. And that is very clear, except for those who have got other reasons for opposing it.
Speaking of detention without trial, how the amendment will work on this?
You will have to be looked at in the context of the threat. Because it's not like the criminal code where the act has got to take place and then we charge. Okay, this is a preventive law, because the acts that may take place will be so detrimental to the security of the country that we need this provisions. And this is accepted by all the major developed countries already. The Patriots Act, Anti-Terrorism Act, Australia, US, the UK.
Looking at the next parliamentary session will begin on March 15th.
Yeah.
Is it sufficient time for you to meet?
Oh, we've been engaging since we were hoping that we could do it last year, remember? So we've been working very hard from then.
So the process is not ended yet?
It's an ongoing process. Even when it goes to Parliament, we still have to engage. That's how I work anyway, because if you don't engage, people will plant ideas. And orang yang takut apa yang mungkin berlaku, kadang-kadangnya lebih berbahaya daripada kita menyatakan apa yang tak akan berlaku. If you know what I mean.
I thought that it was supposed to go on the first reading last year.
Yeah.
But does that mean that there's a glitch in getting...
No, I think we felt that the engagement process was going on very well. And we felt that rather than just tabling it and reading it for the first time and not debate it, we might as well table and debate it at the next session. And then this gives us a bit more time to engage even more people, and now to get the other ministries on board. So today is quite an important juncture where the 3 ministers are now up to speed on our amendments.
When you talk about having it very specific on the type of security threat, right? So at this point of time, what is the category of security threat that is under ISA?
It's very clear. It says anything that is prejudicial to the security of the Federation. But you know, people have seen it to be so wide. We'll see. You're jumping the gun. The fact that I'm looking at it, cukup lah.
Are you going to expand it to, let's say, drug smugglers?
We have the Drugs Act to counter that. You see, why do people target the ISA? Whereas the provisions, similar provisions exist in anti-drug activities, in the issue of restrictive laws, in many other acts which I'm also looking at. It has been demonized, rightly or wrongly, and that is what we want to remedy right now.